YouTube? Welcome to my channel. If you're new, my name is Amber. In today's video, I'll be slaying my hair using the Main Choice Exotic Kool-Aid line. Now, before I get started on the details of what I'll be doing today, go ahead and hit that subscribe button and the bell button so you get notified every time I post. Now, for this video, the style that I'm kind of going for is going to be a half up, half down, bang, you know, in the front. I'm going to put a picture right here so you can know what I'm talking about, because I know that, you know, description wasn't the best. But like I said, I'll be using the Exotic Kool-Aid line by the Main Choice. Now, they sent me the whole line from the shampoo, conditioner, leave-in conditioner, the spray, the gel, this lovely towel, by the way, microfiber, super soft, bougie, money, love it. Some clamps, just the whole package. So first and foremost, thank you so much for sending this to me. Your girl really appreciate it. Now, I've been wanting to try this line for the longest. I saw it at Walmart. Every time I went just to browse, I saw it just right there looking at me. But as we all know, the Main Choice is not it's not cheap, and your girl is you know, adulting, so I couldn't buy it. But I finally got my hands on it and I have not been disappointed. So I'm gonna go ahead and give you a little details about each product that I use today. Starting with the shampoo, the Minty, Guava, and Kiwi shampoo. All right, it looks like this. Now, I am not saying this to be nice. I'm not saying this to, you know, sugarcoat anything. Y'all know, if you watch my channel, I'm pretty blunt and honest about the products that I use on my hair. This is by far the best shampoo I have ever used in my life. Okay, well, my natural hair life, let's fix that. My natural hair life, it's been the best as far as stimulating. Like, my hair is still it still has a cool sensation because of this. Like, this little twist top, this was godsend, because it really lets you get into your scalp and like just stimulating. It was amazing. And I'm not just saying that. Y'all know me. I don't just say stuff just for the heck of it because a company sent me something. That's not how I operate. But this was by far the best shampoo I've ever used. If you've been having trouble trying to like stimulate your scalp, trying to really get in there, go ahead and try this. I promise you will not regret it. It's available at Walmart. I'll leave in the description below the link so you can just go ahead and buy it off their site. And at the Main Choice site, go ahead and try this. Next, we have the Fresh Mango and Passion Fruit Mask. It looks like this, and the color is so pretty. Like, it's so pretty. I don't know. Looks like that. Disregard my hair, but isn't that a pretty like purple? Like, I love that color. This was a pretty good mask, but like I said, you don't necessarily have to use it because their conditioner does it justice. But if you need just a little extra moisture, I would most definitely use this if I were you. All right, so next we have the Sweet Papaya and Pineapple Infinity Conditioner. Now, this particular conditioner is kind of like the jack of all trades because it's a co-wash, leave-in, detangler, rinse out, and pre-poo. So it's all like in one kind of thing. And I felt that when I was putting it in my hair, I would definitely use it again. I really want to use it as a pre-poo. I should have used it as a pre-poo. I used aloe vera juice, but I would definitely use it again. It smells like a candle. It smells like a candle. Like, it smells like a candle at Bath & Body Works. So, I mean, very good, very good. And as you can see, I didn't even use a lot of it, but my hair was super moisturized. Like, it's still at the top right here. Still right here. I still have all this to go. So a little goes a long way with this, which I appreciate that most definitely, because I don't like running out of stuff. Usually when I use a leave-in conditioner or conditioner, like after the first use, I'm down to like right here. So the fact that I only had to use like a little bit, I still have a lot left. Very, very grateful for that. Now, for this video, I'll only be using their gel. This is the Dragon Fruit Definition Jello. I guess it's spelled like Jello, like Jello. I'm sorry, it's cute. And again, the color in it, it's like, oh my god, it smells like comforting. It smells like home. It smells like love. They put love in here. I love it. Get it? But look at that color. Look at that color. It's so pretty. Y'all like my towel? Y'all like it? It's cute, ain't it? It's so soft. So they sent the towel, and they also sent 6 of these clamps. It's so nice. They are like durable. Like, these are bougie. This says money, honey. So while I was in the shower, I went ahead and separated my hair into 6 sections and detangled it, so they're in twists right now. So sorry for the background, to work our way up to the front. So the back is going to be all twists. The top crown section of my hair is going to be twists, but it's going to be in a bun. And the front are going to be bangs. Well, the front is going to be bangs. Excuse my grammar. My bad about that. So I'm learning that if I twist my hair and it's like super wet and just damp and just drenching, it doesn't turn out well. So my hair is in a good spot right now. It's kind of damp, so I'm just going to detangle it. Oh, that was a good shot. Cute, very cute. Right? Smells amazing. Some more. It reminds me, this gel reminds me of Ancient Egyptian from the Main Choice, and y'all know that's like my go-to. Love that. Alright, so as you can see, I already did the back twist and I separated the part of the bang that I'm going to have, twisted down. So I'm going to go ahead and pull this part up a little bit. Alright, so now that I slick this up as much as I can for the moment, I'm going to twist up each section, then work on my bang, and then we'll be good to go. Alright, so I'm done with, the prep work, if you want to call it that. Twisted the back, pinned, the ponytail up, got my bangs. I just need some edge control to lay this down. But for right now, I'm just going to go ahead and tie it up, sit under the dryer, and I'll be back so we can see what it looks like when I take it down. Alright, so I am back, my hair is dry, did my face real quick. So we are about to take them down, but this is what it's looking like. I actually like this style kind of how it is right now. It's twisted in the back, a little pony at the top, and little bangs. It's cute. It's cute. It's all right. But we're gonna take it down though. So for our final product that we'll be using for the Exotic Kool-Aid line is the Mellow Melon Melt Shine Oil. Looks like this. Right. Let me see. Okay, this is. Oh, you know what? It smells like Kool-Aid. Like for real, it smells like Kool-Aid. Like I'm not even, it's orange. Okay, it's a bright orange color. Like at first I thought maybe the bottle was tinted, that's why it looked like that. Nah, fam, it's orange, and it smells like Kool-Aid. Ooh, this brings back some memories. Ooh, growing up with my cousins, us making Kool-Aid all the time. Add extra sugar to it, bro. It smells just like Kool-Aid. But anyway, we're gonna go ahead and get started taking them down. Look at all this definition in these curls. Can we talk about that for a second? Can we discuss that, you know what I'm saying, for a second? They look like juicy, for real. I can say with this gel, it's I don't know, my hair, it stuck. It's usually when I use gels and everything, they don't lock up like this. These are locked. I'm actually a little nervous to take them down because of that, but we gonna take them down anyway. We just gonna, walk by faith, not by sight. So here we go. First, we're gonna be using our oil, of course. I'll be spraying that on. We're gonna see how it takes down. All right. Okay. Pretty. Okay. Okay, we're gonna keep going. We're gonna see. we're about to get into the process of separating them. You know, fingers crossed. You know, it's beautiful. We're gonna see. Let's keep going. Y'all, I am so happy. It looks so cute. Like, I was nervous. Like, y'all don't understand. Like, I was like, God, I really don't want to take this risk tonight. I don't feel like doing that. I really don't want to do it. But it turned out so cute. I'm gonna do a slow-mo for you real quick, but let's look at these curls. Look at how everything is just in place. Everything is lined up. Like, everything is going accordingly. Look at bounce, game, strong, frizz, wear. Okay, let me do a slow-mo real quick. Bounce, fluff, just cute. I love it. Love it. Look like you kind of got money, Amber. It looked like you kind of not, you know, struggling out here adulting. But it's very cute. So if you want to test out, you know, the exotic Kool-Aid line from the Main Choice, I highly recommend it. Highly recommend it. Like, I'm not even just saying that because, you know, I'm kind of partnering with them. No, I don't rock like that. I am honestly telling you, like, this, I am blown away, because y'all know, if you watch my videos, my twist outs, they're cute, but they don't look like as defined as this, especially like this bang. That's where I'm kind of like obsessed about right now. So if you want to test them out for yourself, you can head on down to your local Walmart. They have them there, and I'll have the link of everything in the description below from each product, the Main Choice website and Walmart website, just in case you want to check them out on there. I am so happy. Thank you again, Main Choice, for sending this to me, and thank you so much for watching this video. If you like it, give it a thumbs up, and if you like me, go ahead, hit that subscribe button and the bell button so you get notified every time I post. Thank you again for watching. God bless you. Peace.